आंखों में आंखें डालकर तू छीन सकता है जिंदगी, चल छीन ले। तुझ में है जो वो नहीं है और में, इस बात पर है अजनबी, कर यकीन ले। जो है नहीं तू उसी को सच है मानता, तू उसको ही खुद से बड़ा है जानता। तू नहीं किसी और से, तू खुद से ही भयभीत है। चल अपने डर को तू डरा से डर के आगे जीत है। Let's fight, fight with fright. Come on, fight, fight with fright. Fright, fight, fright, fight.
Good morning everybody. As we have discussed this presentation before also, that this is all about the Cerestronics that we have discussed. You can see as in your files respectively. And in this we have discussed very nicely that in the Cerestronics presentation have to have it very solid connections, and it is basically to strengthen up all the walls of the Cerestronics. So I have mentioned in your files, you can see it, and as you can see it is going from A to B and then B to C. So we have to maintain this circular motion as it is. So the Cerestronics presentation.
पति पत्नी की लाइफ में सबसे यादगार रात होती है सुहाग रात। ये एक ऐसा पल होता है जिसमें वो दोनों एक दूसरे को पूरी तरह एक्सेप्ट करने के बाद इमोशनली और फिजिकली सरेंडर करते हैं। काजल एक मॉडर्न लड़की है, वो हर एक चीज को समझती है, पर अपनी प्राइवेसी और इंटीमेसी को लेके वो थोड़ा सा रिजर्व। पति पत्नी की लाइफ में इंटीमेसी प्यार को बढ़ाते हैं, लेकिन काजल की लाइफ में इंटीमेसी सिर्फ और सिर्फ डिस्कम्फर्ट को बढ़ा रही है। क्या वजह थी? ये काजल की लाइफ में एक बहुत बड़ा सवाल बन गया था।
I can't do this. Please go away. I can't do this. I'm sorry. काजल बेटा, कम बेटा।
And 18 months later, I was back in India. My marriage had collapsed.
I spoke to Akash. He says better check with your daughter. She is the problem. तुम दोनों के बीच ऐसा हुआ क्या? What happened, बेटा?
Papa, I don't want to talk about it.
बेटा, look at us. For 25 years we have been together. We also had our share of fights, but we never left each other.
शादी में तो एडजस्टमेंट करना पड़ता है ना बेटा, और तुम ऐसे कैसे छोड़ के आ गए उसको?
Mama, पर अब
Nothing has been lost. I'll talk to Akash. You go back to US. Give it another chance.
Papa, we have discussed it earlier also. I can't go back to US. Why don't you guys just understand it? Get it. Kajal.
I was in real pain. It had been 6 months since I came back from the US. I refused to talk about my marriage with anyone. Akash had already filed for a divorce. Meanwhile, my parents thought that they were going to get me married to someone else. They thought that I would come out of my shell. But forget about being married. I was not even ready to talk to anyone about it.
Kajal, beta. Kajal. Kajal, beta, open the door. Kajal, open the door, I say. Open the door.
Dr. Kalpana was God sent. She didn't push me for any information. She became a witness to my life, like a friend who walks along with you. With her, I felt like sharing my innermost fear.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. Still say.
just can't express my feeling. My husband's kiss sent shivers down my spine. It was as if somebody was pulling me down into darkness. I was finding it difficult to breathe. I had never faced a situation like this before in my life. I completely blacked out with fear.
Hi.
Hi.
I get it. You know, it's my first time too. I hope you are okay with this marriage. With me? Let me know.
No, it's not that.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No,
Then what?
I don't know. Sorry.
I tried hard, but I just couldn't get over it. We couldn't consummate our marriage.
बचपन से ही काजल के पेरेंट्स ने उसे ये बात समझाई थी कि उसे लड़कों से दूर रहना चाहिए और उनसे ज्यादा मिलना जुलना नहीं चाहिए। कोई खास रीजन नहीं था, लेकिन फिर भी शायद ओवर प्रोटेक्शन के चक्कर में अनजाने में काजल के पापा ने उसके मन में ये बात डाल दी थी कि उसे लड़कों से दूर रहना चाहिए।
Isn't that great? Super cool. एक मिनट वेट करना। पापा, I'm going out, हाँ?
इस वक्त कहाँ जा रही हो? तो ऑलरेडी डार्क।
Papa, don't worry. I'm going out with my friends only.
Friends? Who are your girls?
Papa, they're college friends, both boys and girls.
No, beta, don't go. By the time show is over, रात हो जाएगी.
My friend Ashish, he has promised me to drop me back.
That's what I don't want. No hanging around with boys. I just don't trust them.
Papa, but I really want to go.
बहस बंद करो. Go to your room. Go to your room now.
इस एक इमोशन ने काजल के दिमाग पे इतना गहरा असर कर दिया कि उसे फियर ऑफ इंटिमेसी का फोबिया हो गया। अब इस फोबिया को निकालने के लिए काजल को डबल ट्रीटमेंट की जरूरत है, तो मेडिकेशन के साथ साथ ट्रू लव की जरूरत है।
She was a charming soul, a fable, and a kind-hearted person. I was shocked to hear about her failed marriage. When she came back from US, I started spending time with her again.
मर्दों के बैड टच का ये डर दिल में पालते पालते काजल टच मी नॉट एटीट्यूड वाली हो गई थी। कुंवारेपन तक तो ये डर एक सेफ्टी जैकेट का काम करता रहा, लेकिन शादी के बाद टच मी नॉट एटीट्यूड उसकी शादी का सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन बन गया था। काजल के फियर ऑफ इंटिमेसी को आखिरकार सच्चे प्यार और सच्ची हिम्मत से जीता जा सका। इस कहानी ने हमें ये साबित कर दिया कि डर का समुंदर कितना ही गहरा क्यों ना हो, सच्ची हिम्मत की नाव को वो कभी नहीं डुबा सकता।
Hi, Kajal.
Hi.
How's the office going?
Nice.
Really nice to have you back. Kajal, I was just wondering if we could go on a dinner on Saturday. I mean, if and only if you are comfortable and your family doesn't have a problem with it. Your family doesn't have a problem with it.
No, I don't
Actually,
think so.
I'm really bored. And you know, I don't have much friends here. I thought दोनों के लिए एक break हो जाएगा. Please, we'll come back early. I'll drop you home. If you want, I can talk to your father.
I don't think so.
So I'll wait for your answer.
I'm telling you, yaar. Seriously, this boss is so irritating. I was telling him, we need a break, but he doesn't listen to us. Let's go on a weekend getaway.
Yeah.
Let's, you, me, Radhika, and Sushant. It will be so much fun. We can even go to Pune, Lavasa, Daman. Let's fix Lavasa. I'm telling you. Sushant है ना? Sushant का there's a friend. उसका resort भी है वहाँ पर. I'm quite sure that we'll get a better price.
Yeah.
And you know, Radhika के घर में तो problem ही नहीं है. Last time we went on a dinner. So I told uncle that, uncle, it's only me and Sushant. I hope you are comfortable. He said, it's okay, normal. I said, uncle, is it okay if we come by 2 or 2:30? He said, come by 4, dude, don't worry. I just can't imagine. He invited me on that New Year's party.
Really?
And he was so badly drunk that by the time I reached there,
फोबिया कोई भी हो, हिम्मत की दवा सब जगह काम आती है। आज के एपिसोड में बस इतना ही। अगले एपिसोड में एक और फोबिया, एक और कहानी, एक और पेशेंट के साथ हाजिर होंगी मैं। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें, मुस्कुराते रहें, स्टे फियरलेस। नमस्ते।
इधर दिखा।
विजय, चार्जर को ऐसे क्यों निकाल रहे हो?
वो मुझे करंट ना लगे।
मौत की आंखों में आंखें डालकर तू छीन सकता है जिंदगी, चल छीन ले। तुझ में है जो वो नहीं है और में, इस बात पर है अजनबी, कर यकीन ले। चल अपने डर को तू डरा से डर के आगे